Here's a fix for a problem. Max RPM here. How you going, folks? So, are you sick of having no lemons when you're making your G&T? Well, do what I've done. Get yourself one of these things. They're awesome. So, yeah, it takes about 8 hours. This is a 5-star chef, apparently. You just basically, yeah, cut them up, stick them in, cook them, dry them, and yeah, they end up looking like that. So, what good is that now? Well, now we're going to seal them in a vacuum bag. Here's some I prepared earlier. Fresh shield. So you simply lock these in, shrink them down, stick them in the freezer, and grab them when you need them. Let's go. First I have to seal one end of the bag. Which is now done, so that's super airtight. Grab ourselves half a dozen of these, maybe 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are great with G&Ts, great with cooking, or you can actually just munch them. They're terrific munching. Stick them in there like so, stick them in our sealer, goes inside the sink down sunken part on the dominatic, and suction she goes. A little bit of pressure on the lid here just to make sure it sucks all the air out. Wait for the light to stop flashing. And rock and roll. There you have it. A few more prepared earlier, so now we simply just chuck these in the freezer. And when we need some, we can just go grab some lemons.
Now it doesn't work, so you just go feel it, move on. Oh, it's sucks
in. Excellent, there you have it, guys. No more lemonless G&Ts. This relatively easy method will have you stocked up for all of summer and winter. Excellent. Hope you got something from this. Drop us a comment, drop us a thumbs up, smash that bell, get some more gear. Thanks for dropping in. See you on the workbench next time. Next RPM. Catch you later.